situation. I am about to land sa Hague. Galing ako Dubai. Stopover for it's a long haul, it's a long flight. Okay ako. Do not worry. And I think this is something to do with the law and order noon. At sinasabi ko naman sa mga pulis at military na trabaho kayo at ako ang managot. So ito na nga, for all of the whatever happened in the past, ako na yung nag-front sa ating law and